Bullish algo value forecast is $0.3631 to $3.0360. ALGORAND, ALGO, cost could likewise reach $5 soon. Bearish algo cost expectation for 2022 is $0.2035. In ALGORAND, ALGO, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about algo to examine the future development of the digital money. ALGORAND, ALGO, current market status. As indicated, clients get to take part in the administration of the blockchain either simply by holding algo or marking it. Algo holders get almost 7.5% APY as automated revenue on holding these tokens. It works with quick, proficient, and economical exchanges at lower costs. ALGORAND helps to determine the blockchain trilemma: decentralization, security, and versatility. ALGORAND, ALGO, value expectation 2022. The above graph of ALGORAND, ALGO, spread out a falling wedge design. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which interfaces the highs and the lower pattern line which associates the lows unite downwards. The wedge design overall demonstrates a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example demonstrates a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. From the above graph, we can decipher that the energy of the downtrend is dialing back. Right now, ALGORAND, ALGO, is in the scope of $0.296342. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of algo could arrive at the opposition levels of $0.3784, $0.6501, $0.9506 and $1.8123. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of algo might tumble to $0.2684. ALGORAND, ALGO, backing into opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of ALGORAND, ALGO. The outlines show that ALGORAND, ALGO, has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, algo could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $3.0350. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of ALGORAND, ALGO, could dive to nearly $0.2035, a negative sign. ALGORAND, ALGO, value forecast 2022, Rival, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of ALGORAND, ALGO, is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of algo lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of ALGORAND, ALGO, is displayed in the outline above. Eminently, ALGORAND's, ALGO, cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, algo has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of algo whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record, RSI, of the algo is 38.29. This implies that ALGORAND, ALGO, is almost in an oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of algo might happen in the impending days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. ALGORAND, ALGO, value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX, of ALGORAND, ALGO. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. From the above outline, we can decipher the value changes of ETH, BTC and ALGO are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ALGO likewise increments or diminishes individually. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, ALGORAND, ALGO, could likely achieve $6.50 by 2023. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, ALGORAND, ALGO, could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ALGO could mobilize to hit $7.50 by 2024. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that ALGORAND, ALGO, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ALGO would mobilize to hit $8.50. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that ALGORAND, ALGO, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ALGO would mobilize to hit $9.50. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Forecast 2027. If ALGORAND, ALGO, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ALGO would mobilize to hit $10.50. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Forecast 2028. If ALGORAND, ALGO, holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could observe huge cost rallies. Subsequently, by 2028, ALGO would hit $11.50. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on ALGORAND, ALGO, it would observe significant spikes. ALGO could hit $12.50 by 2029. ALGORAND, ALGO, Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the ALGORAND biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ALGORAND, ALGO, for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, ALGORAND, ALGO, could hit $13.50 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the ALGORAND organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ALGO. Hence, the bullish value expectation of ALGORAND, ALGO, in 2022 is 3.0360.